Welcome to Foundations of Statistics. I'm your ELA for this teaching period. I am currently completing my PhD in psychology, and I've taught this unit 7 times before. This is my 8th time. I just wanted to give you a brief rundown of your assessments. You have a mid-unit test in week 7 covering the material from weeks 1 to 6, and this includes a practical component. The practical component is basically using SPSS to create answers that to run analyses to find answers to questions, and these are going to be based on another of your assessments. You have 7 workbooks to complete. A workbook is an SPSS data set, and SPSS is a statistical program, the standard statistical program that's used in psychology and the social sciences. And so these workbooks allow you to apply your learning, what you learn about statistics. You can apply that practically and actually run analyses, which is fantastic. So you have, as I said, 7 workbooks, and the first workbook is not assessed. It's just to get you used to SPSS, how to open a file and how to becoming familiar with the tabs, etc. And then the remaining 6 workbooks together are worth only 15%, so they're not worth much. Each workbook's only worth a couple of percent. The mid-unit test is worth 15%, and then your end-of-unit exam is worth 60%. So each week you just need to read your textbook, do your textbook exercises. You then have some extra exercises in the interactive room, which is a separate website that has extra exercises for you to complete. You navigate to that website through the Foundations of Statistics website. There's a little link on the left-hand side, in the left-hand side navigation menu. And you also have just a self-assessment and a weekly online test, which is self-assessed. Doesn't contribute to your grade, that you complete each week just to see how you're going with your learning. So any information you learn in week 1 you'll be tested on in the online test in week 2. So it's always testing your knowledge that you learnt the week before. So please, there's another video to talk to you about what's the actual unit website. This video can be found at the bottom of the video resources link, and there's also some other videos in the video resources link to help you with each of your workbooks. So there's lots of resources out there. I really encourage you to watch the video resources link. I really encourage you to watch the video discussing the unit website, because there's lots of resources available on this website. So you'll do a lot better if you know where to go and what's available. Make sure you check your Swinburne email at least twice a week, the discussion boards at least twice a week, and the announcements at least twice a week, because that's how all important information will be communicated to you. And finally, each week on the discussion boards, there will be some activities for you to complete. These are not assessed, but these activities have been based on the assessments. So you basically get the opportunity to practice assessment style questions and get individual feedback from us about these assessment style questions. And part of this is because the textbook and the unit and all of the assessments have all been written by the same person, and so a way to be strategic about this unit is learning the types of questions that are asked in the unit and the kinds of answers that we expect you to give, because some of the answers are take a little bit of getting used to, but it's really important that you learn how to answer the assessment questions in the way that we expect you to. Okay, so welcome aboard, and I really look forward to getting to know you all and working with you for this unit.